Welcome to another episode of Unscripted. Today we have a very special guest, TUKS Senganga. Where have you been?
Where have I been? Wow, man, what a question, what a question. I always get in trouble with this. It is what it is, really. It is what it is. Mafogwame, MC Prayer, Monopoly, Jesus, what's this? Tornado, Footprints up until now. Pia, I would say my cave really was not really a literal one. It was kind of not taking part. Yeah, I was not taking part in the whole game. You see, really besides my recordings and performances, I really tried to stay with what I do. You know, what I do is music, really. Be popular or not, I blame it on my inability to interact with many personalities at one time. You see, this is the music. You like the music, that's cool. You don't like the music, dog, that's cool still.
While you were in that cave,
Yes.
new blood in the hip hop scene.
Man, it's exciting. And some people are not around to actually witness what we are witnessing, you see. So for me, it's like, I've been given this opportunity to witness, and now with this release, be part of the change, or the new era, and they are interpreting the music in their own way. You see, you cannot do anything but respect what guys are putting out there, meaning the music and the work behind the music. You see, they really. Hey, Buddha, your dreams must be. So, ambition out to reach what these guys are doing now.
Do you think beefing with another hip hop artist or another musician also helps?
Can I not beef with anyone? I can't tell you beef. I'm here to put out music, okay? But competition is competition, man. Once you're in the field of play, hey, man, you're a fair game, you see. So I guess.
And I have to say, competition is going to be very tough now. TUKS has released the album, the much awaited Wotse. You know, I mean, while he was in that cave, at least something out of that cave came out. Something good came out.
Beautiful.
But I want to know, Wotse, we know you as the guy who stresses vernac when you do your lyrics, and you've got this power in making sure that those words come across and people understand them. How different or how the same is this album from your signature, the TUKS we know? Are you far from your signature, or are we still going to get you in this album?
Look, the vernacular on this album, it's so well constructed that I vouch for every single syllable that I spit on it. If we are talking signature sound, it has evolved, you know, it has evolved, and I'm hoping that my people follow and understand this evolution that happened on Botsebotse. You see, it's not only the music, it's the mindset. It's the mindset and the approach to production. The rapper here has been removed from the ego. The rapper here raps what people are saying out there.
When you're saying the rapper has been removed from the ego, in previous album, was the rapper in the ego?
Look, there was this pressure that the rapper has to be this certain kind of person, you know.
Egotistic.
And some of the songs you need to come off as like, yo man, I've done this. You know, that's where I guess sometimes
show off.
Yeah, like yo man, you can't touch me. You can't. Yo, this is not an dizer.
Okay, tell me, you've been in the industry for a long time. You've seen it all. You've done it all. Do you have any regrets?
Knowing what I know now, I wouldn't have put out some of the music that I put out in the past. You see, all the projects, the way I put them out, like that. I could have, especially dealing with producers and engineers. I had issues with the previous album, Footprints, hence I didn't push it that much. Actually, that was the album that I didn't like. You see, I didn't like how it came.
What was wrong with it?
Like everything was wrong with it for me. Wow. So I learned a lot from that experience to communicate a certain way with the producer, and you know, sometimes just put your foot down and say, yo man, I want this song to sound like this. That's it. You only can connect the dots looking backwards, isn't it? So I'm looking backwards. Those are not, they had to happen if I have, you know, situations where I feel
Hello, T to the UK speaking, how you doing? One set more defining, probably get more jiving. When I got what I died in grand, we like about Monday, something I was saying. How they sense to get in. Got a married bucket full of promises, these are fake. My patience running thin, I reap when I run out these comrades. And got to see, plus, get a hikali in, I'm a pina, skin sa, change. Ka dikgolo tsa fuga ke a jewa ke bodutu se ka batlang tšhisa mateki showing no messy maphake belle ka bothume be ke tlabe ke tswa go phusha no yana ga go thuse go bua tlogana rutlwa maikutlo a ikuka ga ke batle go go juta nota pene in your book ka busa ka dithutsa sneneng content ngantsolotse rubber bands tsa di-toothbrush Get out, for mama's canta, the scholar the Santa, like Cotolo Halakala. This ain't rap, this is legendary, out to feed fair. Hey, Otlanka like you, Get out, that's a you, for getting a gummy dress, Bully boot, Helagas, Goopy, shot a double black in seven. Wake me up when it's all over, made a million store owner, sky guy in the coaster, black it's a compliment the flow, ya guys into so when my royalty pays up. Spoke all of Peter Santa getting a taser. Monati busula sukiri santo le sobotelo tsohle ditego rotlhera di taste but very few witness prying eyes every day the spotlight on your life will show you make you go insane khatwa ke go kwala di tlhaka go aga ke siama khatwa ga satano batla go ntanya lessons not blunders meditate send many blessings that way time I hop about the soul train haremo state you see this gold chains fede let me not say I did a fella someday but I'll check it out Bombay Santa Kika foundation on me casa popa muchacho get out Kafatuha for mama's canta the scholar the Santa like Botolo Halakala this ain't rap this is legendary out to feed fair hey Otlanta like you get out that's a you for getting a gummy dress bully boot Helagas Goopy shot a double black in seven Cha-cha, this life, scandalous tribes, similar to white-collar crimes. The sickness, like syphilis, you get from banging wrong kind of dimes. Spacing some nines, I got a tabaco jaja for pies. But learn your lesson next time, I wanna fuck a sky miser.